Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the step-up transformer. More turns on the secondary, higher output voltage. By the end of this video, you'll know why every power station has one. A step-up transformer has more turns on the secondary coil than the primary. The voltage is increased from input to output. The voltage ratio V on the secondary over V on the primary equals number of turns on the secondary over number of turns on the primary, which is greater than 1. Three things. 1. Power is conserved in an ideal transformer. V primary times I primary equals V secondary times I secondary. Step up the voltage means step down the current. 2. Used at power stations, 25 kilovolts up to 400 kilovolts before transmission. 3. Works only with AC, as DC won't produce a changing flux. Common slip. Thinking step-up transformers create energy. They don't. They trade voltage for current. Power in equals power out, minus a small loss to heat. Quick example. Primary 50 turns, secondary 1000 turns. Input 230 volt. Output equals 230 times 1000 over 50 equals 4600 volts. Voltage up 20 times. If the input current was 10 amps and the output current is 0.5 amps, the power is conserved at about 2.3 kilowatts. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology, chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.